Hey guys, most of you know I'm Amanda, and for the new folks, welcome to the MMD Home Renovation family channel. I'm not into wasting a lot of time, so let's get right into it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more renovation updates, DIY projects, family chaos, and a behind-the-scenes look at turning this place into something amazing. After one full year of planning and a whole lot of biting our tongues, the moment is finally here, the full tour of our $1 million property. This isn't just any house, it's an abandoned, rundown fixer-upper with 6 bedrooms, 2 guest houses, and an acre of opportunity. We've been waiting to show you everything, including the story of why we waited an entire year before revealing it. That part was unexpected and difficult to talk about, but I'll be fine. Well, anyway, we will walk you through the inside and outside the property as it stands today, our vision for transforming it into a dream home, and a look at the chaos and the family crew making it happen. And I mean, we're talking full transparency, what works, what doesn't, and the $1 million madness that brought us here. If you've ever dreamed of restoring an old property or wondered what it's really like to take on a renovation this big, you won't want to miss the full reveal as it happens in just 2 days from now, so please check back. And feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments. What would you tackle first if this was your property? Don't forget to subscribe for more renovation updates and DIY projects, family chaos, and a behind-the-scenes look at turning this place into something amazing. Again, see you in 2 days. Goodbye for now, and thanks for watching.